Happy Independence Day to all of you. The historical day 15 August fills our heart with immense pride and acknowledgement of the life sacrificed during the course of freedom movement. I feel pride to talk about the Mother India. It brings me immense joy and happiness as it reminds me the freedom fighting is a collective effort. Without the cooperation, sacrifices and involvement of all Indians, it was impossible to get freedom. I express my sincere gratitude to those who sacrificed their lives for whom we are independent today. Patriotism can only save freedom of our nation and unity. Irrespective of religion, language, caste, customs, tradition, I like to quote our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. The future depends on what we do in the present. Let us follow the advices of our patriots as we work modern democracy with the idea of patriotism, compassion, tolerance, self-restraint, honesty, discipline, the respect for women. Let us try to convert these ideas into the life force. We should invest every part of our knowledge against illiteracy, pollution, unemployment, child labor. We should fight against all these threats unitedly. Today, we require youngsters with knowledge and energy. We must facilitate add-on courses, skill development programs, professional education, market-driven courses to the students with a lifelong learning ability to make them employable globally. In the context of educational institutions, the desirable characteristics and attributes are contributing to national development, fostering global competencies among students. We should promote quality education, including moral and ethical values among the student community. We should promote the use of technology in the teaching learning practices for the excellence of the students. In this global pandemic, technology, particularly information technology, has become key weapons for effectively monitoring and controlling the disease outbreaks. The advent of global COVID-19 pandemic has intensified the impact of information communication technology in the field of almost all sectors, more importantly in the education sector. Education is taking a new shape. With the help of technology, with the growing innovations, the pace of education keeps changes from traditional class to smart class, from smart class to online class, even the online class through apps, staying at anywhere, anytime basis. The advent of online classes has changed the multitudes of learning. But technology cannot improve education, but it can be a powerful part of the solution. However, quality assurance in true sense is a big challenge. We require long-term as well as short-term actions, strict surveillance with sincere involvement of the principal, teachers, staff, students, alumni, and other stakeholders. In this year, in the global pandemic situation, we should not focus academic development only. We should be concerned more about holistic development of the institution for its all stakeholders. Yes, and in this perfectly matches the vision of Malda College. The vision of Malda College is to mold the students into responsible citizens with education, advanced knowledge, and moral values for a happy society. We are here not only for graduating and post-graduating students, but also we are here with the mission. The mission of Malda College is to ensure quality education through well-structured curriculum, planned academic calendar, and continuous internal evaluation. To ensure all-round development of the students through various co-curricular activities such as outdoor and indoor sports, NSS, NCC, model exhibition and competition, wall magazine, cultural programs, debate and quiz competition, and many more. To make learners more comfortable with digital world. To develop in the students a sense of environmental consciousness and awareness. To enhance proper skills for ensuring the employability of the students. To communicate with higher community, sharing knowledge and the experience intended to sustain both individually and socially. The spread of COVID-19 has affected almost all spheres of human life, physical, emotional, and economic. The COVID-19 crisis not only creates disaster, but also creates the opportunity to come together as one humankind. It also gives the opportunity to learn together, to grow together. Let us come together as one humankind and work together to build the nation where each and every Indian stands proudly and proclaims that he or she is an Indian. Jai Hind. Stay safe, stay healthy, save lives. Thank you.